Have you ever seen something so strange that once you notice it, you cannot look away? A new video of Apple's secret foldable iPhone has leaked online, and one detail is making everyone stare at the screen. We will get to that in a moment. Before we continue, like, share, and subscribe, because the next few months could bring some of the biggest Apple leaks we have ever seen. Apple's first foldable iPhone is expected to arrive in 2026, but dummy models are already appearing online. Most leaks are usually rough metal shells, but this one is different. It actually looks like a real phone. The device opens like a book and reveals a much larger display inside. At first glance, it looks exactly like the kind of futuristic iPhone people have been waiting years to see, but then you notice it. Right in the middle is a crease that looks almost impossible to ignore. Experts believe this is not a real display and is likely a plastic placeholder designed to imitate a screen. If that is true, the final product could look dramatically different. The person holding the device struggles to open it with one hand. Once it is open, the hinge appears unusually loose. This is almost certainly not Apple's final hardware. We can clearly see a USB Type-C port, speaker grills, physical buttons, and a massive camera bump on the back. Rumors suggest this could become the thickest iPhone Apple has ever made. Even if Apple builds the world's best foldable phone, why would people buy it? Flip phones became popular because they save space in your pocket, while large foldables cost much more and often feel like regular phones with bigger screens. Apple's biggest challenge may not be the hardware, but convincing people they actually need one. Case manufacturers are already preparing products, and more dummy units are appearing as leaks accelerate. These are usually signs that development is moving closer to launch. While everyone is focused on the crease, they might be missing the bigger story. Apple could be preparing its most radical iPhone redesign in nearly 2 decades. If the rumors are true, the feature that makes this device truly different has not leaked yet.